Hello, Countsake here, back with another Unity programming video live stream. Yeah, I totally know what this is. Okay, it's raining outside, so let's all pray to Wi-Fi gods that my internet doesn't die. It kind of died like a few minutes earlier, but hopefully everything's fine and I can live stream for an hour. Okay, so if you read the description, I have a few things set out. I actually planned ahead and decided to put in the description the things that I want to do. Okay, so right off the bat, I want to set up these minimum and maximum stuff things because, well, yeah, it's kind of funny if it's like I probably should have done that like a while ago, but I don't care. I'm too lazy to do it, and well, I'm not lazy, but I just whatever. I just wanted to work on it. Something. Meh, okay. So we're gonna do that in the UI manager, and we'll do a public void set min countdown, and this one will take in a string because we have a string. This will be the value. And what we need to do is do test script dot countdown, I believe it is. Yes, dot x is the minimum, and that will be set to utility dot string to float of value. There we go. Okay, we also want to do a test. Actually, no. That the job of testing if the countdown actually is a whatever, if it's actually a legitimate value, will be up to the thing, whatever it is. Void set. I forgot what it was. What did I call it? What is it? It's not here. The resetting. It will be up to, the start test function in time test to determine if this actually is a float. Because as you can see, we have if string is float. Yeah. So void set max count down. Do the same thing, but we're going to do it with string value test script.countdown.y is equal to utility dot string to float of value. Okay. And with that, I believe that actually already sets up our minimum and maximum thing. We just need to actually set it up here. That was very quick to do because it's not very hard. It's not very hard to do anyway. So we have to go to main UI, not start button. No, not main UI. It's going to be in options. The minimum countdown. So we need to, hold on a second. We need to expand these guys a bit. Go to the minimum countdown on end. Yeah. Here what we'll do is we take the panel and grab the UI manager, set minimum. So yeah, this is the minimum, and do the same thing for the maximum. Yep, is my mic on, by the way? Yeah, it is. That would be very awkward if it wasn't. Okay, anyway. And do the same thing, set max countdown. All right, and with that, let's see. Hopefully it will work. So if we do 5, if we set this to 5, I actually couldn't tell, but that definitely felt longer than, yeah, that's okay. It's picking random values. Okay, that's pretty cool. And with that, we basically already have these settings set up. And okay, so now I just want to do a bit of some extra bonus features. And what I mean by bonus features is that, what I mean by bonus features is that one thing I want to do is if, where is it? If rather than, where is it? Wait, oh no, it's in the start time. Okay, so rather than doing this, what I can do is We kind of need yet another if statement. What we'll do is if, no, we're not going to do it like that. We're going to do it like this. Whoops. If, oh, not false. If, come on. No, not particle, come on, jeez. If, we'll do, wait, hold on a second. Rather than doing this, what I can do is I can grab this is equal, and if this is equal to true, then we can actually execute this code. Otherwise, I want to do something else. What I specifically want to do is to have countdown text say equal to get, no, not get component, get ready. So at least they know that, yeah, they started something. And well, I'm just going to comment out this line. And yeah. Yeah, I think that works. And with that, we're going to test it now. And hopefully it works. So let's make it invisible. Invisible. Get ready. Okay. I'm bad. Okay. Geez, my reaction time is absolutely terrible. Okay, so yeah, that's one of the things that I wanted to do. We have an I enumerator. However, I kind of want. Okay, no, I can't do that. Geez, this I enumerator made things a little awkward. Hold on a second. Cancel test. Do not press any button before countdown ends. I think that's fine. I think what I can do now is whatever. We'll work on the clearing the records, because right now this does nothing. And well, we probably should have that in the stop. Okay, in the UI manager. So in the UI manager, we'll do it like this. So this one will be public void clear. Oh no, we're not going to do this in the UI. We're going to do this with the record manager. Public void clear records. And with that, we just what we need to do now is we do for each transform record in what is it? View times, I think it's already a transform. Destroy record.game object. That's what we'll do. And well, before we do that, we also would do we're also going to do like this update average time, or set average time. I think it actually might be a little better to have a private float called the average. Well, we'll call it we'll just call it average value, and then yeah, with that we can average value is set equal to 0f. Come on, there you go. Average value will be set equal to 0f. Then and then the last thing we need to do is to do, or actually we should do reaction times dot clear. Is this an expression? Yes, it is. So yeah, that's actually a pretty simple way to do it. Nah, I'm not going to do that. That would be a little silly. And well, the last thing I want to do is I want to do a UI manager dot notify, not notification, notify, and we'll say cleared records. And also, and okay, that's another thing. That's one thing down. All right. So if we were to okay, right, we have to wait 3 seconds. And you know what? I want this to be just to make this a little quickly. I'm going to do it like this, just so I can actually get some things. So if I click here and confirm, because we have not set anything up yet. So let me make sure I saved. So I need to now go to the panel and okay, record manager. We need to go to the other and clear confirm panel. And we have the confirm, which will on click, we will run the, hey, come on, get in there. Okay, so we do record manager and clear records. And with that, if let me just make this instantaneous so that we can actually easily get some time. So if I have this and I have a record, I clear it, confirm, cleared records, and I forgot to, I forgot to do something, and that is when you confirm, I want the panel to become invisible. There we go. So yeah, if I was to clear records, as you can see, cleared records, everything's gone, and so on. Now for updating average time is actually pretty simple. However, that would be, hold on a second, I kind of just thinking for a second. There's something I wanted to do and then I completely forgot what it was. So I wanted to do something, I completely forgot. Okay, great. Geez, I don't remember what I wanted to do. Oh, I really wanted to do it. I can't remember anymore. I was even thinking about it just a few minutes or a minute ago or something. I completely forgot. But in the start, reaction test, minimum, maximum, count up visible. I can't remember what it was. I know I wanted to do something. Yeah, 0 seconds. Okay, but seriously, what was I can't remember what I wanted to do. My fault though. Maybe I should. Okay, something I thought about. Maybe I should have a public, some sort of function that allows you to get to close notification. So close notification. So if when we do this, we actually showing notif we set to false. It basically does this. We actually, oh wow, we can actually just take this guy here and well, yeah. Then we just paste it right. No, no. Jeez, I didn't want to accidentally copy paste. There we go. We paste that and we do close notification. Not there. We do it there. Close notification right there. Closes notification. And with that, we can actually add a little button You just add a little button just so that we can get rid of it, because I have to admit it is a bit annoying that the notification basically. Yeah, sure. I'll get. Don't worry, I'll get to that later. You're just being very. It's just, I don't know. It's like has more. What was it? I'm forgetting words now. What was the term? OCD, whatever. I don't know. I don't even remember the words. Okay, so basically now I'm going to copy paste the exit button. I'll just do this and then get it, and where is it? It's in notifications. Yay. Do notifications rather than it being exit app. Right, we're going to call this closer. We're not playing closers, notification, close notification. And well, this one's pretty simple. We just need to do is take that and lock it so that we don't accidentally go somewhere else. And we take the UI manager, close notification. Yay. Hopefully now that works, and well, you can hopefully now everything. Okay, let's see, we can close it. Just basically close out all the stuff. And I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna test my system. It appears that it does not work. Oh wait, the max. Wait, that's the maximum. Let's say this is 5. Minimum is. Okay, I think I actually probably should not. I should say not a valid number. Is not a valid number. Not a valid number. And with that, we have our basic setup. Hold on a second. How big does the notification text? Okay, that makes things a little bit awkward. Maybe the close notification should be, I'll put it to the top, no, Alt, then move you up. We just have to move you upward by I'll make this positive 15, 14, there we go. And with that, we have basically get rid of it. Okay, there we go. We have a close notification. Something I wanted to do. I really want to remember. Okay, so instructions. Dude records. Okay. Something I wanted to do, but I can't remember at all. Okay, I can't remember. Ah, gosh, I can't remember. It was it's something I really wanted to do, and I really wanted to actually do it. But my brain is not functioning, so I guess we have to deal with it. Yeah, I'm guessing we just have to move on. And with this, we are going to do we're going to actually have a new function in the record manager, which is compute actually we'll say compute mean, so that it's shorter, private void compute mean. Yeah, whatever, we'll just make it so compute the mean. So what we're going to do is that we first want to check if record time, or what is it called? Reaction times. Oh. I kind of remembered something. I remember something. I want to go to time test, and rather say your reaction time is your react time is. There we go. That's just all I wanted to do. That's something a little more simple. Something simple, but I think it makes sense because it's just your reaction time was whatever. Okay, we'll have compute mean and whatever. Okay, if the what was the name of the list again? Reaction times dot count is less than or equal to 0. We want to return. And we actually would like to say that average value is just equal to 0. 0f. Then we want to also have, I think we might also just say private void update mean. Update mean. So basically what this will do is takes in a float, or no, we don't want to do that. Now we're not gonna do. We don't need that function. Basically average value, and with this we say that average time dot text is equal to average value dot toString, and then we do f5 return. Else, actually no, we don't need that else. If okay, yeah, we'll just leave it as that, and well, yeah. If that is, then we take we basically going to do what we do is for each float. So here we'll take a float called we're gonna restart. Okay, we'll have a float called the sum. We'll do sum, and this will by default be equal to 0f. However, for each, we're going to do a for each float react time in reaction times sum plus equals react time. Once we're done with that, we say that average value is equal to sum divided by reaction times dot count. And with that, we basically have everything that we need to compute the average value. And well, all we have to do is to once again call this guy. And there we go. So at the end of every, actually, instead of doing, I think I'll just do compute mean like this. Compute mean. And then the last thing I would like to do is, since we want to do here is to update the average time, so we'll do compute mean right there. And with that, we can now say that whenever we input a time into this thing, reaction time is that it should be exactly yes. I should probably put an S at the end of that. I'll do that in a second. I'll do that in a second. Whoops, whatever, I'll do it now. Okay, so I don't want to do that. So we'll take this and then we add it with an S plus S for seconds. There we go. With that, we go ahead and save just to be sure. Now let's test. Okay, well, just test my reaction time. Okay, I'm terrible. Oh my gosh, I'm bad at reaction times. How bad can I be? Shut up. I know I'm bad at reaction time. I'm literally a quarter of a second. Okay, so now let me test this again. Okay. Yeah, let me just get a few times, and then I'll get my calculator and test if this actually makes sense. So my trusty TI-84 plus silver edition. Flex. Okay. 2 plus 0.23, 193, 0.8, 103. Then divide that by 3. Yep, it's pretty accurate. So we can definitely say that the average time is definitely going to work. And well, let me just clear my records just to make sure that all that works. All right. And with that, we basically, wow, we already checked off like a ton of stuff on the list. I'm trying to see, is there anything else we can do for a bit more slight polish? Why not? We'll go to records, and this title, I think it looks a little silly because I want to add a panel to it. Well, what I'm going to do is to put it all the way up here and make it just stretch like that, and we'll take the title and put it here, and we'll just make this the label. Once again, I kind of want to put you all the way at the top here just to make it look a little bit better because, well, yeah, everything in this thing is white. Oh my gosh, I literally reacted with 0 sec. Okay. That was an instantaneous reaction time. And well, it's canceled the tag. Okay, I'm bad. I'm bad. Okay. 21. Okay, about a quarter of a second. I'm bad. Okay. Should I allow negative? Okay. Should I allow negative times? Because I mean, that might not make sense. However, it could. It actually, if you react before, it actually well, that would require me to basically that would require me to now somehow let okay, that's a little awkward. Whenever we do that, if we were to do that, that technically would lower the reaction time, not actually. So I don't think I'll do it. Yeah, I don't think I'll do it. Oh, whoops, I was checking other stuff. I'm completely focused. Definitely not. Okay, clear records. You have no proof of all that terrible reaction times. Okay. Anyway, with that, well, we're actually already going into saving, which I kind of already done this. However, I don't remember how to do it, so I have Brackeys to help me out. We definitely have a lot of time, so I'm going to actually get rid of, if there's time, I'll do saving reaction times. And well, I think I'm going to do, would like to once again thank Brackeys for the tutorial. I don't want a voice crack on saving mechanics. Okay. And with that, we'll go get the saving and loading system. Brackeys saving and loading system. We'll do it like this, and well, I'll go ahead and now I have to go over navigate to it. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully now. Oh, I lost 2 subscribers. Yay! I'm very good at putting out content that what my subscribers want. I swear I know that I'm going to lose. I'm going to go back to 800 back to 899 subscribers. I know it's going to happen. I don't know why. I just know it's going to happen, and it's going to be like, well, I guess I'm going to have to hit it again eventually. Okay, come to me, Brackeys. I need your help. Save. Saving. I'm going to mute Chrome. Okay, muted that. We're doing stuff. All right, so luckily our saving is actually super extreme. All we really need to do is okay, let me go back to Unity. Oh, okay, let's get that. I'm also like to apologize for the terrible for any sawing construction noises you hear because, well, okay, whatever, sure. Reaction times. We'll make this a script. So go ahead, reaction times. I don't believe we need to do this. We definitely don't want this to be using mono behavior. I'm not sure if we'll be using the Unity engine, but I'll just put it there just in case. Just reading. What are you doing, Brackeys? Right. I also need to put the link in the description. Right. I'm smart. Okay. Let me put that link there and let me edit the timestamp to just be at 0 seconds. Okay. There we go. Come on, Brackeys. What are you doing? Okay. So basically, what we have here is we're going to be using system.collections.generic because we want to have a list. So public list, a public list of integers. We'll call this the times. I'll set this equal to a new list of integers like so. And that's really all we need to do. I'm not sure, like, technically this is all we really need to save. However, I'm not sure if I would like to save some other stuff because, like, for example, I'm not sure if I want to I'm not sure if I should I save some of these settings so that it's easier for people to just set up everything. Why not? We'll do this. We'll also have a public vector, no, not vector2. We'll take an array of int array called countdown times countdown range. We'll do that. Countdown. It's not going to be integer. Wait, no, these are supposed to be floats, not integers. And then we'll take this up float, and once again we want to change this to a float. And this we want to make this an array. Set this equal to a new float array of 2, specifically 2. And lastly, we want to make a public boolean called visible countdown. Okay. And with that, we basically now have all of our stuff. Okay. Yeah, that's basically everything in this. That's everything. Jeez. Yeah, I think with that we can go ahead and continue on. So we have a public reaction times. We take in a, well, what are we going to take in? What should we take in? whatever. We'll just we'll take in the a list. Take in a list of floats called the times. Then we'll have a, well, we guess I guess we're going to be using Unity Engine after all. So we'll take using Unity Engine like so, and then we'll add a vector. Hello. Okay, we'll take a vector 2, and this one will be the cooldowns. And the last one we'll take is the boolean, the visible countdown toggle. Let me make sure that's not the same as, okay, countdown toggle. We'll just make it like that, and well, we'll make things very simple for ourselves. Times will be equal to the times, and actually I'll call this instead. Let's rename this to what was that command that lets me edit all? Can't remember. It's not the command. I completely forgot to turn on my mic. I am smart. Jeez. Thank you, Captain Evan. I swear, I thought it was on, but I guess not. I guess not. Oh, I must have pressed Oh, because I was trying to execute. Okay, I was trying to do something where you know how I had to press like Control R earlier? Basically, I ended up muting my mic. Great. I'm smart. Okay. Thank you, Captain Evan, for that. Yes. No, I swear, don't look at me that way. I totally don't talk to myself. Okay. Load. So first off, we want to make a string. We're going to take a string. This will be the path. This will be equal to application. No, come on. Okay, reaction times. Well, just copy paste this. What am I doing? Copy paste this, and if we do, geez, oh my gosh, no, why are you like this? If a file dot exists, if file does not exist, and we pass in the path, file exists. Okay, we're making this going to be equals to false. Then we're going to be doing something. This one will be a debug.log warning, just to say no file found at let me pass in the path. Well, I'm going to basically say are there, okay, we'll do system.environment new line. Are there any recorded times with a question mark, just to do that. Okay, and with that, then we'll do else. If it does exist, then we're going to do something else. What is it? Come on, 1,000 times. Yes, good thing people in your house are used to it. What do you mean people in my house are used to it? Okay, what? I just say come on like 1,000 times because I'm like, I mean, seriously, it's like something I don't. Shut up. Shut up. You don't need to tell me that. Okay. I just say it because it feels like it's like, seriously, get with the program. Maybe I should say that instead of come on. What should I say that? Get with the program because this is a program. What about the people in the house thing? Okay. Okay. What does I do? What do I need to do now? Right. We're not actually going to make this a void. We want this to be a reaction times. Hold on a second. Okay, just make sure. And we want to, well, hold on a second. How many times do I need to say, hold on a second? And then we have to say, return null. And in the other case, well, we're going to take the binary, we're going to once again take a, come on. Seriously, why? I'm going to do a binary formatter. Did you finish in the, no, prior episode, let's just, okay, formatter equal to a new binary formatter. Okay, with that, we want to say a file stream. Oops. Okay, hold on a second. Just doing stuff, file stream. What's binary? What's binary? Blah, blah, blah. Okay, I don't know. I don't know what I say. I say random stuff and never know what I said the next second. What is he doing? Okay, so we now say equals to a new file. Okay. Anyway, what we'll do here now is, okay, we have to once again take a path, and we'll do file mode dot x. What is it? Append? I think it's append. Oh, it's not. It's gonna be open. Okay. And well, now we have to do a formatter dot deserialize stream. Pass in the stream. Well, I'm pretty sure this needs to be equal to something. Okay, so reaction times. So this one will be, well, the data, and this is equal to a reaction times. We need to format it as that. Okay, I'm not sure if I might as well follow my tutorial and just make sure. I'm just gonna follow the Brackeys tutorial and just do it like this. Reaction times, just to be sure. Okay. And of course, we lastly just want to return the data. Okay. Now, okay, I guess we didn't need to use the system.collections.generic. And of course, we should probably always close the stream. Okay. Stream.close. There we go. With that, we kind of just, I wonder where I should put it. I don't think I really need to put it anywhere special. However, I believe the record manager does seem like the best place to actually call this. So when we save the system, what we want to do is, when we save system, we want to do, well, okay, my brain. I'm kind of, okay, now I'm thinking again. The only time when we'll load data, I guess whenever we clear the records, I guess what we want to do is kind of like do a save. I guess we can do like, we'll have a private function down here. So private void, and it will say save records. Well, what we can do here is do save system dot. Okay, never mind. That's actually super easy. I don't believe we need that. So what we can do is we can do at the end of this, we call save system dot save. So we're just gonna copy this because like that's all we need to do. So copy paste that, and well, in the we'll do void start. Make sure to do that. Void start will load. What we're gonna do is save system dot load. We do load. And what we now need to do is then we call the function compute mean. Actually, no, wait a second. We need to actually do another function first before we do that. So private void load records. So in this function, what we need to do is we take in a what is it? A reaction times data. And okay, is someone flying a drone in the background? No, I am sorry. There is basically a bunch of construction going on. Yeah. So someone's like sawing something. I don't even know the names of tools. Jeez, I'm not a man. Well, actually, I'm male, but I'm not a true man. Okay. Anyway, enough about that. What am I doing now? Right, okay, I'm loading records. So first off, we load the records. First is that we want to take our data we want to take our reaction times. This is the list, right? Reaction times, yeah, this is the list. And set that equal to the data dot times. Is that a list of floats? Yes, it is. We'll do it like that. The next thing is that we want to do is to go to the, wait, what am I doing? Hold on a second. I guess we'll go over to show countdown, do UI manager.script.show countdown, and we'll take in our data.toggle that visible countdown. Then what we want to do again is let me check this. UI manager.script.set minimum cooldown, so data cooldown range 0. Copy paste this because it's almost exactly the same thing. However, string to float. Okay, we need this is awkward. I guess we're gonna have to kind of do like something like this. So first off, I'm going to take this, and rather making it like that, so we'll just once again we'll make this, actually well no, we'll just do it 2 decimals, and then what we'll do is take data dot countdown range. This one will be 1. Again, data dot countdown range 0. And lastly, what we want to do is to go to the time test.script.countdown. Countdown is equal to a new vector. Come on, new vector 2, and this one will take data countdown range 0, comma data dot countdown range 1. So yeah, I think we can, at the start, we can say, yeah, load records. And I don't believe that, and of course we need to take our reaction times. So what we need to do is to do save system.load, and we pass in, meh. Okay, whatever, sure. Okay, and with that, I believe we have our saving system done. So now we can basically save our records, and it should say that there is no reference data times. Okay, first off, we want to check if data is equal to null, we want to return saying, and do a debug.log saying no file save given. Just do like that. Just do a debug log warning. If you're wondering why this is not being a notification, it's because, well, once again, this is not decided when this happens. The player doesn't actually decide it, so it returns null. What I have to see is no file found at keys. At default. Okay, we have to go back to app data. Percentage app data percentage. And go back over here. Local low default company reaction time test. Okay, so yeah, that's basically where it's going to be saved. And with that, let's go ahead and make a reaction time. So, and reaction time stat, okay. And let's do it again. My reaction time is absolutely terrible, so you can make fun of me in the comment. Oh, hey, I actually got a pretty decent value there. And well, if I was to exit now, and let me just check. Nothing happens, but the reason why is because I forgot to actually do something in the reaction times, and well, when we do all this, we also want to do public void react time. We basically, okay, rather than what we have here, we have to do some sort of for each loop. So instead, we'll take for each float. We'll call it time. Why not? We'll call it time value. Time value in data dot times. Yes, we want to call the function record time. Then we pass in time value, and with that should take care of everything that we needed to do. And yeah, basic stuff. Hopefully it's basic stuff. Make sure everything's good. Let's test it now. And well, let's go ahead and load, and hopefully now. And yes, this is exactly the stuff that we did. So let me clear my records, and if I load, it should still have nothing. So yeah, there you go, nothing. And I'm gonna just make this a number, make the countdown invisible. Oh, I kind of realized now that well, I kind of if I change all this stuff, I kind of need to like have that inside the UI manager. So if whenever I change all this stuff, we now have to call this save system dot save whenever we change a setting, because that's yeah. Save system dot save again. Save system dot save for all of our settings. I'm no programmer, but there is no way it needs to be this complicated. Tell me how it can't be this complicated. This is actually a super simple program. I just wanted to make it a little bit more advanced, because it's not even that advanced. Technically, this program is the easiest program that I've ever basically coded. This is the easiest thing I've ever coded in my life. I'm not kidding about that. This is the easiest thing I've ever coded. I don't even know why I even did that. I just wanted to do it. It was so easy to make. Let me go ahead and change some stuff so that we can now get like some values and check if it actually does save. So if I go out, you will see that basically, no, it did not save. Right. That's a little weird. It didn't save. Hold on a second. There's that file save. If we change the max, get out, go back in, it didn't do anything. Jesus. Okay, that actually is very loud. No wonder why it actually sounds like there's a drone outside my house or something. I forgot to add something here. Completely forgot to do the UI manager.script. What was it? The toggle countdown dot is on. I forgot to say that this is equal to data dot visible countdown. You forgot to do that. Actually, wait a second. You need to go to the UI manager and show cooldown. Show cooldown. We pass in this. Okay, I kind of am realizing some things that it's kind of looping on. It's gonna kind of save on itself, and that makes things a little bit awkward. I guess the only way to save is if you actually record some time. I guess that would make sense. So I guess we'll go ahead and work with that, but let me now just see if that works again. Oh, right, wait a second. I need to get rid of this. That actually might be the reason why it didn't work. We'll take this. And instead we'll do in the reaction time, not reaction times, record manager. If the data is null, we also kind of want to do this, and we'll do time test.script.cooldown, no, countdown, not cooldown because there's no cooldown in this. And well, we have to do the same thing, paste it here, just because why not? And well, now there was something I wanted to do. We go back to the UI manager and do the save system thing. So save system.save, there we go, copy paste it again. Basically, there are a bunch of functions that could do this thing justice. All right. What am I bringing justice to? I'm just doing stuff. I'm not even bringing justice to anything. And well, let me go ahead and change some random stuff, get out, and go back in. Hopefully we'll get some interesting results. And it didn't work. Yay. I'm sad. Okay, I wonder why that is. So hold on, let me save this. I completely forgot to save. So that might be the reason why it didn't work. Let me try it again. Oh, hey, it worked. Yay. Make this invisible. Hold on a second. There might be something that's making it on by default. And is there? Will Count ever read my comment? What comment? Which one? Find out next time on Unity making a reaction time test program. Okay. Okay, for some odd reason the countdown visible is not really saving. Let me change countdown visible. Oh my gosh. Wait a second. Okay, no, never mind. He still didn't read it after that. What comment are you talking about? Are you talking about in Steam? Because I completely closed Steam. And then there's also I'm no programmer, but there is no way it needs to be this complicated. There's nothing really else that you said in this program. Not programming. There's nothing that you said in this chat, unless for some odd reason like you deleted something. I mean, unless you want me to read dude, which is the one thing I didn't read. Right. Okay. I kind of need to hold on a second. UI manager.script dot dot toggle countdown is on is equal to data dot visible countdown. Right. I also need to update the UI, which is kind of funny. I completely forgot about that, so I kind of did need to do that. So let me, if it loaded now, yay, it actually does. And let me clear all my records. Go away, notification. I don't want to talk about it. And yeah, let me go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and delete the react times.ok file. Well, let me go ahead and enter. It should say that there's no file. Okay. So it goes to the default. All right. Use that as loud. Okay. And well, technically this program is done. I'm not kidding. This is done. I finished this program already. It's like I worked on it for like 4 hours. Jeez, it's basic. All the other things that I've tried to code basically never got finished. The one that's got close to finish, that's the most complicated project that I got in close to finishing, is the Minecraft Ride program. But this is basically a program that I've actually managed to somewhat do. Now, I have no idea how to do Unity builds, so it's kind of awkward. How do I do this? Unity build tutorial. Why not? We'll do it like that. This is another Brackeys. Yay, it's Brackeys again. Yay. Okay. Congratulations, you made a program for nothing. You could use it to measure margin of error. I already had a way of measuring margin of error, which is basic for measuring the margin of error in the length formula. I did it by measuring a known length value, a known integer length value in blocks, and then I used the formula and calculated I have a calculated length and see how much that deviates from the integer value that I actually have. But this one was just for fun. Not everything needs to have a purpose. In fact, this thing does have a purpose. It is to measure your reaction time. Why not? It even computes your average time. It basically computes your average reaction time. Why not? I completely just, I don't know how to, I can never speak now, can I? All right, Brackeys, help me out with builds. I wonder if I should even. Jeez, man. Because you make it seem like. Because the way you said it made it seem like. Because you made it. Okay. I'm a person who takes a ton of stuff seriously. I think you would know that I take a ton of stuff seriously. It was a joke, and you just went on a giant rant. Lol. Well, yeah, I take a ton of stuff seriously. There are times when I can tell when things are a joke, but it literally seems like that was actually what you were saying. That time it actually felt like it actually really felt like that's something you would actually say to me. That's why I actually went on that rant. And okay, it's OBS. Okay, yeah. I'm wondering if I should even do the build stuff on like live stream. It's kind of weird. I'm just following a tutorial again. Oh, Brackeys, how you doing? Help me out. I don't actually know how to do builds. I might not always love you. Okay, I'm weird. Don't ask what I just decided to do. I'm just wondering what the heck I'm actually. Okay, let me just change some stuff and see what happens if I'm. And everything looks weird and different ratios. I think I don't know who would ever play this on a 16:9 thing. I don't care. I just want building is easy. You just place blocks. I mean, I have Legos. Oh, I completely, that pun went over my head. Jeez, I am smart. That pun went over my head. It was a Minecraft reference. I know. I know it was a Minecraft reference. I just decided to completely go over that and go to Lego because why not? Okay, what am I doing? Right. Making a build of a game. And my stomach is growling. I don't know why I decided to commentate about that, but okay, sure. This is an amazing live stream, you know, when you're just watching me try to figure out how to do builds. I'm wondering if, okay, I probably shouldn't even continue this live stream anymore, because it's just going to be me trying to figure out how to do builds, and that's technically, oh, whatever, it's basically part of making a program, so why not? I'll put it in the live stream. It's more content for you, and you get to sit around while I watch a tutorial. Okay. Okay, let's go to the project C. How incorrectly did I have to say that to where I incorrectly said it and somehow tried to correct myself, but still tried to say it incorrectly and failed to say it incorrectly when it's more probable that I will say something incorrectly. I don't actually even know what I just said there. Probably because you have not uploaded a Minecraft Redstone project since World War II. Actually, when was the last time I have uploaded a Minecraft Redstone project? I don't have any more Redstone stuff to talk about. I seriously do not know anything else to build in Redstone. Like, jeez, like I I don't know what to build in redstone. No, I mean, I always think to do the 4x4 ascending door, but then it's like I'm too lazy to work on it. What is it? What am I looking for again? Is quality? Yeah, quality is here. Yeah, yeah. I mean, I don't really know why you would want to. Okay, why not? Let me expand this out here. I kind of can't see. Can't see it. Thing. 7x7 piston door. I haven't even made a 5x5 piston door. What? I can't. I haven't even made a legitimately. I haven't made a 5x5 door that is less than, I think 1,000 blocks. I don't even remember what the size of my last 5x5 was. It was like I don't know. It was absolutely huge. It's like a gigantic box of buses, of wire buses. If anything, I'll get rid of the you and you. Script up execution. Tags and layers. We don't even have layers. Geez, this is super simple. I don't even. I don't want to. Okay, what is all this? I don't think I need to follow this. Okay, so now we do. What's the next thing I have to do? All these settings. So, file. Wait, what? Okay, where did you go? I can't. Come on. Come on. Please. Brackeys, work with me, please. I need to know where you went. Okay, you went to project settings. Layer. Okay. Oh, there it is. I'm smart. Okay. Oh, What's next? Okay. Okay, then go back to 5x5. I'm too lazy to do a 5x5 as well. I've tried, and well, that was probably going to be the next thing. I was going to do a Minecraft Redstone live stream thing on making a 5x5 compact, or attempting to, but I'm making this thing right now because why not? Okay, count's sake. Okay, reaction time. That basically is version 1. Okay. Should I? Okay. Should I? Actually, there's something I want to do. I think I want to. Instead, I kind of want. Nah, I'm too lazy to do it. I'm not gonna do it. Should I do a default icon? Should I have an icon for this program? It seems there's plenty of. You should make a 7x7 door. People will want to see that. Should upload Minecraft while it's popular. I mean, yeah, I really should. There are plenty of 5x5 doors. I know, but I kind of think I would need to make a 5x5 door before making a 7x7. Heck, I don't know why. I found for a while I found 6x6 easier than 5x5. I don't know why. I like the 6x6 better than the 5x5. 5x5 looks kind of. I don't know why. I just like the piston tape. Piston tapes are amazing. I like piston tapes. Anyway, enough. I'm talking about Minecraft Redstone when I'm doing a program thing. No, I'm not gonna. You know what? No, I don't want to click on a YouTube video. Okay. I'm not gonna have any stuff like that. I don't think this thing does not need any. Just for my friends. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. Okay. Actually, this seems like something I should do for the browser, if I'm thinking about it. Standalone. Okay, for a standalone, yay, we want to do that. Default is full screen. Hold on a second. Resolution, full screen mode, full screen, exclusive full screen. Default is native resolution. Run in the background. No. Standalone player options. Use player log. Resizable window. Yes. Visible in background. Allow full screen switch. Yes. Supported aspect ratios. No. Actually, hold on a second. What's the 4x3? No, that looks awful. No, we're not. We can't allow that one. The 5x4 also looks awful. You know what? Fine. We'll also make it allow others because you never know. Flash image. Okay. What's next? Actually, should this be just a maximized window? I'll just make it a full screen window. Why not? Anyway, display resolution log, a dialog. Hidden by default. Actually, no. Disabled. Resizable, visible, and background. You don't need to work with other stuff. What's next? Okay, we don't have a splash screen, but I think okay, we don't have a splash screen. Yay. Okay. Geez. This is a simple program. I just can't. Okay, what's next? Okay, after all that, we can go to File, Build Settings. Okay. Okay, for Windows, okay, wait. Okay, I'm probably just going to do the times like that because it's too simple. Our thing is too simple. We definitely don't need that anything. Server build, limit build. Projects. Okay. I guess we'll go ahead and build. And then we'll go have a new folder called builds. I'll select that folder. Okay, I might have to go a bit quiet for a second. I never know. Yeah, I might have to go. Might have to go quiet. You know how smart I am? I completely forgot to actually add functionality to the to the exit game button. I go reload just in case. Let me go ahead and add that because I'm super smart and totally definitely did not oversee that fact that I needed to add that functionality. Exit game application dot wait, not application. What? The close application. I completely forgot how to do this. All right, it's application.quit. It's a method. And I think it's best if we do a save system right here, dot save, like so. Yeah. And well, I could say I'm probably going to have to change some settings here because the resolution we want default is the native resolution. No. Okay, kind of messed up things as like what happened, what did I do? I don't think we need this to be, we could just make it a maximized window. And with that, let me kind of build again. So, doing all that stuff. And I completely forgot to add the functionality to the button. I'm smart again. Okay, I don't know. Okay, what the heck did I do? Because I swear that I swear that this should have the functionality of stuff. Okay, let me go back to actually doing stuff in the inspector because I'm smart and completely forgot to add the functionality of the exit button. Exit game. There you go. I'm smart. Okay. Let me build this again. I don't really know why it's not like letting me choose it doesn't bring up the thing where, it doesn't, whatever. Okay, fine. We'll have to go over through this again. If I close it, yay, we get out of the thing. Okay. But now I'm having a bit of issues with the default stuff here. I move. Okay. I'm having problems with this. What is running? Wait, I don't want this to run in the background. Okay, what happened that okay, something happened. I can't it doesn't let me now change the resolution. Default is native resolution. Let me go uncheck that. Because I actually do want the people to actually be able to choose what. Okay, fine. We're just gonna not even letting me choose if I want it to be windowed or not. I want this to not a win. Okay, windowed. Maybe that will be. Oh, maybe that will make it. Um. And it's still doing. Why? Okay. Oh, enabled. Okay, that's what it was. I wanted to do that. Okay, that's the thing I wanted to. I wanted it to include the resolution. Yeah, thing where like it tells you what settings do you want for your game, like that thing. This is the one. There we go. We don't want it to be ultra. We just want it to be very simple. We'll take a windowed. Why not? We don't even need any inputs. As you can see, we have our reaction time test. Yay, everything is kind of tiny because, well, it's kind of how I made it. Okay. And well, yeah. And let me not allow those resolute aspect ratios. And well, with that, I think I'm going to now continue on with the tutorial just to make sure that, okay, maybe there's something new. And let me go ahead and let me open it up just to make sure. Okay, good. Hold on a second. I need checking tutorial stuff. A second. Builds. Reaction time data. Wait, hold on a second. What? I'm now just kind of talking to myself. Builds, Windows. Um, what is going on? Okay. So all our data is in here. Yeah, I guess that okay. Continue on, Brackeys. I'm listening to what you have to say. Okay. So now what we're just going to do is go ahead and send to a compressed zip folder. There we go. Probably should indicate the type, which is going to be Windows, just to make sure. But sometimes if I'm going to play the game, but okay, this is a simple program. I don't need an installer, whatever. Okay, okay. Okay, I'm not gonna bother with, no, I'm not, no, I'm not bothering with a setup, an automatic setup. No, that's okay, advertisements, great. Skip the ads, I don't care about ads. Continuing on. Oh my gosh. Please. I just want, okay. Okay, next is the Mac. Mac. We have the Mac. Okay. Okay, fine, we'll reload. I might as well close this as well. But I don't know, I'm just doing stuff. uh, Probably should do that, like a Windows. Oops, so grab all of you. Put you there. Hopefully I completely destroyed the program because I forgot to put the Unity. Wait a second. Does this? Wait a second. Does that need to be part of it? Right. Okay. I think I need. Okay. Let me look at this. I guess I do need to have it. So I'm going to delete this just completely, and then get all of you and send it to a compressed folder because why not? Time test Windows. Okay. I'm wondering if I should test it, but I guess no, I won't. I won't test it. I'm too lazy to test it. Okay, we're gonna go back to where I was. Mac. So now we'll add a Mac. Whoops. Okay. Cannot speak. Okay. I'm kind of just. What happened? Okay, what's happening? New folder for Mac. Okay, I don't even know what's happening. I'm trying to figure out how this thing works, and well, I guess I don't even know what I'm trying to do. I'm just confused. Nah. Yeah, what is going on? Whatever. Quick build. Go back to builds. Go to Mac. Select this folder. Yeah. I don't even know why I'm going through such lengths for this. I swear I put you into the Mac. Why did you not? Okay, fine. I'll do it myself. Okay, so in here, I'll change this to I'll change this to reaction time test app, and well, it doesn't work on. Doesn't really work. Okay, I'm just gonna get both of these and put them into the folder because why not? Mac. Whatever, sure, we'll take it like that. And the last one is a WebGL. Yay, okay. Whatever the web, I don't even know what a WebGL is. JK, I kind of do. Well, I kind of can't do a WebGL. Okay, well, I guess that's actually everything now. I'm going to have to put this up on Mediafire and just completely get roasted because it doesn't work. Okay, on by Mac people. Okay, I guess, well, I guess I might as well test if it works first off. So I'm just to test it, I guess I'll go make a random folder just on the desktop saying, I hope this works. I hope this works. Otherwise, I'm going to get spammed by one person that it doesn't work. One person. Okay. And I'm going to go and extract it here. Unfortunately, I do not have a Mac to test this on, so RIP. Actually, kind of. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Let me move this to the desktop. Why? What? Okay, so it doesn't work. I kind of have to restart. Okay. Why am I even bothering this with Mac? I probably should. Why am I bothering? Why am I bothering to do this? Probably just deal with it on Windows. Okay. Let me get rid of all this. Let me go back and fix everything if I can. Build settings. We'll go back to Windows because you need to, or why not? Go ahead and build. Let's go to this folder. Okay. Yay. How you doing? Doing all right? Okay, the mono bleeding edge. Okay, so now if I test it, it works. Yay. I'm just going to grab everything in this guy because I have no idea what is needed. And make this a reaction. When was the last time you talked to Orange? Like maybe a month ago or two? Reaction time test in Windows. Okay, let's bring back this file on the desktop. Where are you? There you are. I'll just. Hey. Oh, why? You haven't heard about him in a while? I know he. I didn't know you guys still talk. Well, I mean, we technically kind of don't. I mean, I just kind of sometimes do, but not really. Okay, so I guess that works. Played with him like a month ago. Oh, really? Wow. Okay. Did I just delete the build? Okay, whatever. He said something about putting donut back up. Oh, maybe I can stream. Maybe I can stream that, or just have we can just have fun or whatever. I don't care. We just have fun. That's kind of cool. So it's zipped. Make sure it's Windows. Once again, I'm just going to test this. Say blah. Go over here. Go ahead and extract it here. You never know. Yay, it works. Okay, I'm going to delete this again. I know this sounds weird, but I have a feeling it's because that there's some extra stuff that I don't need to have in that compressed folder. So I'm just doing stuff. Just okay. So then I'm not even going to put Windows again. I'm just going to put reaction time test and .zip, and then let me just extract it here. Hopefully now. Okay, fine. We actually need to put the .d. Okay, okay, fine. We'll delete it. Delete you again. Okay. And again, we have, so I'm, okay. Can't speak. Since when could I ever speak? That's a question I should probably ask myself. Since when could I ever actually speak? Reaction time test. That's it. Back to the folder. No, no, go back to normal. Go back to what you were. There you go. If I test it, play it, just make sure. Yay, it works. Okay. Man, I can't see there. I can't see because the resolution of this screen. Okay. Yay, get rid of it. With that, I'll just go ahead and don't really need that. What am I doing now? I don't even know what I'm doing. What was it I was gonna do? I guess I might as well test. I guess I might as well test the saving with. Yeah, I might as well just test some of the saving of stuff and bananas. I can't speak. Can never speak. So I'm gonna place like 34. Then I'm going to exit the application, go back in, play, and maybe we'll see if it works. Yay, we have a saving feature and it actually works. I can't believe it. I actually made a program that works. Well, I mean, my programs do work. It's just that I never finish them. Okay. And with that, I think there's one last thing I actually wanted to add to this reaction time. And in fact, that is a notepad saying text document. And in this read okay thing, I'm just going to say there you go. I don't know what I'm doing. Free. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with this. Okay, I just wanted to do something stupid, okay? Okay, is it actually there? Oh my gosh, it actually is there. And just to test. Extract it here. Okay. I'm so weird. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I think I'm done with this. Wait a second. No. Okay, I was about to delete the folder with the reaction time zip folder in there. I can get rid of it. Just delete. No, delete. Yay. And with that, I think we're done. Wow, that was the easiest program I've ever made. So, I guess you might see me put up a video about this. I know it's going to be useless to put a video about it when I have 2 gigantic live streams about it, but I don't care. I can do what I want. I can upload what I want. So I'm going to upload a random video just saying that, oh, okay, I made a reaction time test program, and you can see the download link in the description. Yay. Okay, done. Bye. That's what it's going to say. How did I manage to how can I manage to actually expand that one simple concept of uploading a video and then now I'm still going on about it? Okay, well, if anything, I'm surprised. Oh, I'm not actually surprised that it took me this long to complete it. In fact, this was way too easy for me. In fact, I actually was surprised I didn't finish it on the first day I started to make it. Well, granted, it probably would have taken me like 10 hours to do so, but yeah, we basically did it in 5 hours. So yeah, well, 5 hours and 30 minutes, whatever, I don't care. We did it in about 5 hours. So yeah, this is actually my first legitimate program. So start simple, maybe then I can get things more complex. So yeah, really about it for now. So thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for that video though, whenever that comes out.